What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Got another one for y'all today. This is another pallet that I got delivered. Well, pallets that I had delivered earlier today. So, I'm gonna get right into it. This was health and beauty, and here's the numbers. So, we have the total retail value of this load is $26,000 and $26, or $26,026. All right. It is 860 pieces. My cost, including shipping, was $2,076.39. So that comes out to a cost per item of $2.41. So I paid only $2.41 for each item, and it is 8% of retail. So it's a pretty good deal. Pretty good deal. We're gonna go through a few boxes and see what we got. I only opened up one so far. This actually has been sitting here all day because they came this morning, and then I had to go out and run around and do a whole bunch of other stuff, and so I am literally just getting to this it's almost 6 o'clock. So I'm not going to pull everything out because these boxes are going to probably be stuffed, just some nails. There are going to be a lot of items like these water picks, Sonicare, or not, this one ain't a water pick, but this is a Philips Sonicare. But there's a lot of stuff like that. We got the Resell hair blower dry, whatever that is. Wall clippers, which, let's see what they look like. They got hair all on them. They all bagged up, so I ain't about to go through all that, because it is very difficult to do this with one hand as it is. All right, what else we got down there? We got Conair spa, foot spa or something. All right, what's under this? Under here, we got a water pick. Now, see, the good thing about these types of items is, even if the item's been used, because sometimes these returns, they've been used, like these little connector pieces, you can still sell this part of the item. So even with the toothbrush, people will still buy this part. So even if all of these are used and you can't sell it, you can still sell that part. Of course, it devalues the item a good amount, but still, definitely still sellable for sure. So I'm not even really worried about whether or not it's been used, because as you know, as I just said, my cost per item is only $2.41, so I'm not really concerned about that. We got that. Some shampoo and conditioner that's spilled. Hey, at least they put it in a bag, right? Because that would have been a mess. We got another hair dryer. So I ain't sure. Maybe I can find it later. We got some Tensidon. Got some clippers. Braun. Look like a braun shaver. Let's see if it's got hair in it. And again, even if it does, I typically clean my items out really good, so it'll still sell. I don't see hair off the bat, but we'll inspect it a little closer. Sometimes you gotta look under the blades. People do a good job of cleaning when they return items. Usually I'll take the blade apart and look under there, because that's when you find out. Because I don't want to mislabel something when I sell it. Okay, looks like we got some shampoo and conditioner. What's the brand? Nexus. That should be good, because I can sell these together. Yep, we got the shampoo and the conditioner, so nice. All right, that's it for that box. I'm pretty sure that's not how that went in there. So we're not going to worry about that. Let's check the one right next to that. And again, this is going to be mostly all smaller, like beauty appliances, but there's makeup in these things somewhere and other stuff. So what we got? Hot Tools Pro Signature curling iron. And we got a Phillips hair trimmer. Another Revlon hair blower. We have Infinity Pro. Not sure what that is. Cotton pillows. Might be a box of cotton. Got a little bunch of little bull crap, mint sticks, some different gel, Phillips satin shave, and then we have another Infinity Pro battery power air nose trimmer. This is just a, oh no, this is a Conair Man. How in the heck did I have this? That is not how I had it. See what I mean, y'all? This is what I'm talking about. How in the hell did I just have this in there? Give me a second. Alright. I think I got it back. That'll do. Okay. Let's go check these out. These are smaller boxes. See what's in these. Some of these. Alrighty, what do we got? We got a bed head, massive wave one. Alright. I have a Remington Shine Therapy. That'll sell pretty quick. This look pretty good and stuffed in, so I'm not about to. Got another Hot Tools curling iron. See a piece of hair, so some of those will definitely use. That's fine, it'll sell. What we got here? Oh, we got Andis, huh? Now that's expensive right there, y'all. Andis trimmers. As long as those work, we'll be good. I already pretty much know what's in these, though. I already looked at the manifest, but got some Braun 11-in-1s. This stuff's packed in here in this one. We got some fake hair if anybody needs some fake hair. My aunt been asking me, do I get hair? So I'll probably sell that to her. Remington's trimmers. And just some shampoo and stuff. I don't know what's down there, but I'm not going in there. Set a feel. Let's see if it's in date. What does that say? Yep, 6/25, it's in date. I want to check this. This is so tight in there. Let's see. L'Oreal Paris Ever Pure. Okay, this is shampoo and conditioner. Another shampoo and conditioner. All right. Let's go right next door and his buddy up. Hit his buddy up. Alright, his buddy has, this is more regular beauty stuff, Neutrogena pads. We got some Mederma Intensive Overnight scar cream. I might actually keep that. I got some scars I need to put that on. Well, that came out. John Frieda. Alright, that wasn't supposed to happen. There we go. Got to be glued. Set fill. Derma control. I can't remember. Does this have a date? I don't think these ones do. Clairol. Here's some we got going on popping down here. Feel like shampoo and conditioner. This is some sort of hair dryer. I'm not taking it out though. Check another box. Should have checked some of these. Let's go here. It's easier to do these ones since they below my level. I ain't gotta reach up. This one has more paper than anything. This is just more beauty products. Rock. And this looks broken up, but I'm pretty sure that's Physicians formula. Probably, yep, shampoo and conditioner. And two Thayer's. Alright, not much. That is mostly all box. Check his partner out. About the same. Mostly all box. Not much product in this one. Shampoos and conditioners. Stuff like that. Some Lubriderm. Shake. L'Oreal. Alright, we back. Some CeraVe. Stuff like that. I would think that this palette is more of the skin creams and lotions and stuff like that, just because these boxes are smaller than these other two palettes. These other two palettes got the larger boxes. We'll check a couple of these top ones real quick before we end this. See what we come up with. They kind of dirty on top. Dusty Dusties. Let's check out the Dusty Dusties. Alright, what we got in the Dusty Dusties? Another pair of walls. Clippers. Starting over here, you got another Conair. You got another pair of wall clippers. Another pair of Andis. This looks like another. That might be one of those hair roller machines, I think. This. Yeah, this is like one of those curling machines. So hopefully it works. One thing I know about 9 times out of 10, most of these items work. They've just been used 9 times out of 10. I mean, you might get a couple that don't, but for the most part they do. You just got to clean them up a little bit. This is, I'm not sure. It's tape shut, so I ain't gonna worry about it. Another Revlon, another blow dryer, and stuff like that. What's this? Dr. Teal's, 3 of them, 4 of them. So we're gonna pull all that out. We got one of those, it's like a soccer thing. Oh, no, that's a hair. I think that's for women. Flawless women hair shaver. Definitely used, but sellable if it works. Alright, we're gonna do one more box, y'all, and then talk a little bit and put this baby to bed. I gotta get this stuff put up. Been a long day, man. Long day. All right, what we got? So, another water pick. Looks like there's probably another Remington curler down there and a Conair curler. You can tell the Remington by the box. Another pair of walls. We got some more Cetaphil that is in date until 9/25. Neutrogena. Got another Philips Sonicare toothbrush. Got some Shea stuff over there. So another wall clippers. And there's people screaming down the road, so excuse that. Yeah, I ain't pulling nothing else out of here, y'all, because this is going to be hard to get back in. We'll do one more box. You know, when I say last box, I'm probably going to do one more box. All right. Shy spun curl. We got another Hot Tools right there. And I ain't gonna pull nothing else out, y'all. This is gonna be too hard to get in. Plus, I'm getting a phone call. All right, so that's it on that. And I barely got room for this stuff, but here's my thing. I usually, so like the first, why I buy so much right now. Usually my first and second quarter, I make a lot of purchases. So my P&L looks kind of funky. My expenses are way high. I slow down a whole lot in the third quarter and I pick back up in the fourth quarter. So what I've been buying right now, this is going to start slowing down because I got to get way caught up. And I'll still make at least one purchase a month, but I won't make as much. I won't get as much. And then I kind of slow down for summer slowdown, and then I pick back up fourth quarter. So that's it for that. Again, go over the numbers. Retail value, $26,026, 860 items. I paid $2,076.39. My cost per item is $2.41, and it's 8% of retail, so not a bad buy. Do me a favor, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see another video like this, hit that notification bell so when I upload one, you'll be one of the first to know.